Your Chaturbate profile isn't just a bio, it's a sales page. It's one job, turning visitors into paying fans. But most profiles fail because of simple mistakes. Blurry banners, long bios, weak calls to action, broken links, or layouts that don't work on mobile. All of these cost you tips, fan club signups, and custom orders. Here's the fix. Keep visuals sharp, bios short and structured, and calls to action clear. Make sure your link works, your layout is mobile friendly, and your personality shines through. That's where StreamerSuite comes in. With custom banner templates, mobile optimized layouts, a link hub with conversion tracking, and even heatmaps analytic to show what viewer clicks, we make profile design painless and profitable. Don't let weak visuals and broken links cost you money. Optimize your profile. Convert more fans. Start today at StreamerSuite.com.